Social media, your ticket to success. Do you love sharing your thoughts and opinions with the world? Social media is your platform. It's easier than ever to turn your passion into a source of income. Millions are making money online. You can too. Let's explore the exciting world of social media monetization. Gone are the days of traditional jobs. Today, anyone with a smartphone can become an entrepreneur. Whether you're a skilled artist, a passionate cook, or a video game expert, there's a place for you in the digital world. Turn your passion into profit, a simple guide. Are you ready to start your journey? It's easier than you think. First, choose your platform. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Find out where your audience is. Next, create engaging content. What's your passion? Share your knowledge and enthusiasm. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Interact with your followers. Respond to comments and messages. Building a loyal community is crucial for success. Ready, set, earn. Practical tips for beginners. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Start simple. Experiment with different types of content. Videos, photos, live streams. Find what resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to promote your work. Use relevant hashtags. Collaborate with other creators. Monetize your influence. Explore affiliate marketing. Partner with brands you love. Sell your own products or services. The possibilities are endless. Remember, patience is key. Building a successful online presence takes time and effort. Your journey to social media stardom starts now. The world of social media awaits. Harness the power of the internet. Share your unique voice. Connect with people around the world. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your dreams. Take the first step today. Create your profile. Start sharing your passion. Your online success journey starts now.